All right. Oh, I need to start my music as well. Boom. All right. So my mod has been added to the Outer Wilds mod stuff. I'm pretty happy about that. 4 people have downloaded it for some reason. But yeah, I don't know what I plan on doing right now. I just thought I would start streaming, kind of figure it out as I go. I might work on adding some stuff. You know what? Fuck it. Let's work on my mod. Let's just improve it a little bit more. Up between my teeth, oh wow, kind of get a little sweet leaf up between my teeth. So let's see. That's the way I have it right now. Is there any way I can recode it? Honestly, don't think there's any better way of coding this. I could create a custom death type. Can I do that? Can I create my own death type? I don't think so. And since it has to be death type. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can do anything to add my own custom death type, I don't think. Since it's an enum, it gets set when the game starts. It's like set in stone, so I don't think there's any way to add my own custom death type. Unless I created my own thing up here. My own custom death type enum. Could I do none? Technically speaking, we could do Big Bang. And we can do a check. For if you were in water. So if we go to player body, maybe? No. Oh, this one might do it. For this might have a check for if the player is in water. Damn it. I don't see anything for water. Because there's the water droplets, though. So I thought that would be in here. Nope. Okay. Player camera. I will find something at some point. Because there has to be something for if the player is in water. Since you can float in water. Player screaming? Aha! It's probably in here.
You pull, I push, give in. You pull, I push, give in. You pull, I push, give in.
Okay.
You pull, I push, give in. You pull, I push, give in.
Okay.
You pull, I push, give in. You pull, I push, give in.
Whoa, kid it. I don't wanna see all my friends at once. KBs keep on playing what the girls want. You wanna hear loud?
This is bullshit.
The best restaurants. Michelin star. Dressed in Saint Laurent. Mama trying to eat
How can there be nothing for if the player's in water?
best spot in the neighborhood.
Like in player state, at least.
Breakfast like all
It has to exist somewhere.
like all day. Dinner is like all day. You are my party. You are my party. Like all day.
Oh, yeah, Danny Brown.
Used to move the weight like Northern Trap. Compete with the white like black quarterbacks. Out here fluffing nickels the size of your bitch nipples. Shiny as a nickel, R.I.P. Don Rickles. My Air Maxes cost what's on your taxes. Smoke so much weed, me breathing is miraculous. Dog, it ain't calculus, fucking common sense. 16 is crime scene, murder with no evidence is heaven sent.
What?
When you bop into it, I cock and pop it, toss and turn it.
Oh.
Still going like Rocky movies. More gators on my feet.
I think I know what water monster is.
Fur looking like a horror movie. White coats trip when they see me, but I stab them with my PP. It tastes like kiwi. The way I get what I want, you would think I had me a genie. Oh, I got more bars though. Watch this. I got more bars.
Is that really it for water? I hate everything. Visor effect.
My nigga stomp you out so good, partner, you'll get dizzy walking by your Foot Locker. And Arthur with Anchorage in this pen, you a whole lot of pretend. Comprehend the lifestyle I recommend. Your estrogen levels elevate and
There we go. Jesus.
so much bitch and you doubt when you piss, you stand. The working of a madman, off the road tagging. Bullets make you backspin, turn your ass to a has-been. So nigga, who you question? Lighten your complexion, Smith and Wesson, leave you in a place of rest. And who you checking, nigga? Wrong answer, that's cancer, nigga. Tragic outcome, zipped up in plastic, harder than assassin, spot is targeted.
There we go.
Fingers just wrapped.
Player, camera, enter, water.
Your reaction, regret what just happened, while I be just lamping, lighting up and laughing.
To be fair, they have it set as a float.
All right, that's it. That's it. That's all I got.
That's so interesting. Probably because it sends the float to here, relative speed. But that's not even used.
Some folks get lucky, but only a precious few.
Fuck it.
Into money, kept clean as the dew, but there were no silver spoons on the wrong side of the tracks. Just a rusty old fork stuck
Fuck it.
square in your back.
We ball.
So later, I was bruised and battered, confused and shattered, had no strength left in reserve. I was born half a man until you took my hand. You still twice the woman I deserve. And there in the gutter, where I drew my first breath, the minute I started living, I started praying for death, cause there were just no footholds to help me over the wall. And the farther I climbed up, the harder I'd fall. Oh, so later, I was bruised and battered, confused and shattered, had no strength left in reserve. I was born half a man until you took my hand. You still twice the woman I deserve.
Yeah, I think we're gonna actually have to do both.
Drunken and disheveled, hand in hand with the devil. Not a useful bone in my body, or so the prostitutes would say. But you gave me a home that I could call my own. So far and away from my destitute days. Oh, so later, I was bruised and battered, confused and shattered, had no strength left in reserve. I was born half a man until you took my hand. You still twice the woman I deserve. Oh, so later, I was bruised and battered, confused and shattered, had no strength left in reserve. I was born half a man until you took my hand. You still twice the woman I deserve. I was born half a man until you took my hand. You still twice the woman I deserve.
Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I tried, I'll tell you this. I swear to God, if I walked in that room, you would barely exist. Yeah, I swear to God, if I knocked at that door, you would know who it is.
Ah, shit, actually, that won't work. Okay, so we have to move this up. So we take this and we actually move it up here. Because based on this information, we will change the message list that gets made. So then we want to do an else if. No, we just do an else. For now. Oh, wait. Do I have to do var message list? Okay, fine. Var message list equals this. And now can I do this? There, problem solved. Well, if it's unnecessary, then let me do this, but of course you fucking won't, bitch. There. I'm gonna kill somebody. Oh, it's unnecessary. Suck my cock. It's not unnecessary, because if I don't do this, then it breaks. Why does it work up here, but it doesn't work down here? Oh, I don't need to create the message list variable. Oh, well, no, I do, because down here. Okay, that's why, because then it outs the bool for if it actually worked. But now messages doesn't exist. The name messages is this current context. Suck my balls. I'm gonna kill myself. Instead of a try get, why don't I just do a get? Apparently I can't.
You got brains in your head, feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any way you choose. choose when you're on your own and you know what you know, and it's up to you to decide where to go. I said, when I got the music, I got a place to go. When I've got the music, Lord, I got a place to go. Well, I got a place, I got a place, I got a place to go. When I've got the music, I've got a place to go. And my place is not home. Don't make no difference, Lord, but I have found that I need a place to stay. If I listen what that landlord man say. The white man call himself civilized, 'cause he knows how to take over. The white man come to pillage my village. Yeah, now he tell me I have to bend over. When I say fuck that, kill all the white man. Ramasi bomba, kill all the white man. Ramama, kill all the white man. Ramasi bomba, kill all the white man. Ramasi bomba, kill all the white man. Ramama, kill all the white man. Ramasi bomba, kill all the white man.
Okay, fine. Try get. Fucking bullshit. So now the problem is this try get actually only sends out a bull. And now the other issue is this. So, oh, okay, I see what I can do actually. So if I do var messages equals new list string, do that, it now exists. Not be declared in this scope because the name is used in enclosed local scope and blah 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 blah. I don't give a fucking shit. I just want it to work. So out that. Bitch. There. Okay, now it should work. What now? Expected. What do you mean expected? Oh, expected that. I see now. Okay. So now theoretically that should work. The next one would be if you're standing in fire, which I should be able to do actually. Big Bang helmet crack. So let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing anything in here. Was it in here that I found the water one? No, it was this one, wasn't it? Yeah. And this doesn't have anything for fire. So I don't think I can get a difference between if you flew into the sun or flew into fire. Unless I have an idea. Let me check. What achievements are there again? There is one for flying this into the sun, to be fair. Ugh, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything for checking if you flew into the sun as the player. Well, there definitely has to be something for if you're near the sun. Because of sound. So if there's an audio related thing, which would be like all the way back at the top. Bunch of achievements. Airlock, alarm bell, alarm totem.
Guess who? Guess who? It's me. Guess who? Guess who? It's me. It's me.
Anglerfish. Here we go. Alright, this audio detector should... son of a bitch. Please. Nope, okay. Oh my god. Dear Lord Jesus. There has to be some... oh, ambient? Nope, okay. The reels go... so, yeah, all that's DLC related, so there has to be something for the sun in here. Well, that seems pretty good. Oh my god, there is something for drowning. They're different. I didn't know they were different. Okay. So that's one thing. Baked terrain. Fake job. Fight alone, alone, alone. Okay. Buoyancy data, bumper listener, button, blah blah blah. Cage elevator. Campfire. Let's see, is there a check for if the person's in it? Oh, I just realized something actually. I need to check something now. However, set volume activation, state, player one shot, campfire ignite, state smoldering. Do.
Under the circumstances, I've been shockingly nice. You want your freedom, take it. That's what I'm counting on. I used to want you dead, but now I only want you gone. She was a lot like you. Maybe not quite as heavy. Now little Carolyn is in you too. One day they woke me up so I could live forever. It's such a shame the same will never happen to you. You got your short set life left. That's what I'm counting on.
Shit.
I'll let you get right.
Fuck.
Only want you gone.
Damn it.
Goodbye, my only friend. Oh, did you think I meant you? That would be funny. If it
Son of a
weren't so
bitch.
sad. Well, you have been replaced. I don't need anyone
God
now. When
damn
I
it.
delete you, maybe I'll stop feeling so bad. Go make some new disaster.
Shirt dialogue. Shirt mood. They actually have a controller for his mood? That's funny.
You're someone else's problem. Now I only want you gone. Now I only want you gone. Now I only want you gone.
Corruption. I don't know what that is. Well, this might be good. I might be able to get if the player's like on fire and whatnot in here. Nope. Okay, well, fuck you too. Yep. Damn. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly, there's already the death type for that one. I might be wrong. I think I'm wrong. Actually, why don't I go with hazard detector? That should tell me certain things. Let's give a look at hazard detector. There's a difference between heat and fire. So I could get the hazard type when you die. I'm looking to see if there's any callbacks that this creates. It doesn't look like it, so I think I have to do it myself, the old-fashioned way. But let me... So yeah, there's different hazard volume types. So I think hazard detector is what I should go with. What's the difference between heat and fire? I mean, assumedly it would be the difference between the sun and whatnot. So we could get this one, since we could then get the type of hazard it is. Hazard volume, hazard type, get last hazard type. Aha! Well, there it is. Okay, so we just need to get that. And so I could either do it the Harmony Patch way, or I could try a different way. I think Harmony Patch is the way to go, though. Okay, so we're gonna be patching in. So now we want to say it is the class of hazard detector. So class of hazard detector. And we want to say hazard detector. Detector. Oh, there it is. That's the problem. Detector dot get last hazard type. And now we want to change it from death type to last hazard. Get last hazard type. Oh, wait. Ah, shit. This one doesn't actually input anything. Oh, well, that's a problem. So I think we have to do in hazard type. Because now we can say this. Replace this now with that. And now we just delete all of that. Actually, now that I think about it, could I add the listener? I think I could. Yeah, let's do it that way instead then. So yeah, we're gonna do that instead. We're gonna add a listener. I think that's better. Hazard detector dot add listener. We're gonna add the listener for if they are in a hazard type. So is there also a out of hazard type? Or maybe we should do update. Switch object get hazard. Do 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 no 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 do 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 down player detector. Also hazard update. Hazard detector. Let's look back at hazard volume. Aha, here we go. We have enter and exit right here, so I think we should do it this way then. Never mind. Get damage per second, return damage per second, detector. Of type hazard detector, which is this. bum, 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 bum. Because I want a way to say that if you're in it, then you know, you get hurt and whatnot, but if you're not in it, then you don't. Because we do have the on effect volume exit, on effect volume enter. So I guess we could say this, and we have our other listener for hazard detector, which would be know what? I don't feel like doing this. I don't feel like figuring that out because I need to check something else. So instead, right now, what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna do a outer craft death messages dot this. Alright, build it. Cool. It's built, and if we check in here, it should say, yeah, 0.2.2. I don't want no life with you. Okay. Oh, okay, there we go. I was wondering if it was going to load or not. Alright, I want to check something when it comes to dark matter, aka ghost matter. I'm just trying to figure out what the different death types are. Son of a bitch. There we go. Absolute banger. For now, I'm actually just gonna mute the game. Okay, what's up? Shut up. Uh-huh. Okay, what's up? Shut up. So I want to figure out campfire, sun, and ghost matter. I think are the only ones. Oh, that's right. I need to check something. If I kill myself on the green campfire, will the text appear? If it does, we're going to have problems. If it doesn't, then we're fine. Shut up. Uh-huh. Okay. What's up? Shut up.
Niggas won't smoke, I'm a vape lord. Walk around with 9 on me, feel like I'm in grade 4. I could send him to the stars, he get paid for. Standing next to Soul.
Yeah, I didn't think to actually play test certain things that could theoretically happen. I don't know why I did this. I could have just walked into the campfire. So, as far as I can assume, the campfire is going to be of death type default. It is indeed default. Oh shit, I forgot to do general enhancements. I can't skip this. That's gonna be a pain in my ass. Bitch.
Hey, rock him, stupid ass nigga think he rock him. TDE superstars jealous, he ain't locked in. I didn't pull so many caps, I go to med school. Bullets flying by, sound like sounds on the Neptune. Thought the beef was livestock, really it was Deadpool. For that energy, I gave him wings once I Red Bull. Sorry, not sorry, she was weak, pardon me.
Okay, so this should also be of death type default.
Nah, fuck that, hang him from the popular trees. He had y'all food like he do it for the sport. I'm Snoop Dogg, kicking over his little fort. Bitch, you watch, you ain't carrying no torch. You let Ice Spice turn it to the king of New York. What the fuck?
Don't you dare hit the fucking sun station. That one is energy. Okay. So that one is an energy death. I like how you can see me spamming E now because of the keyboard I added. Okay. Well, now the final thing to test. What happens if I kill myself on the green fire? And I need to be holding the, Excuse me? Okay, then. I'll just have to find it the old-fashioned way. Oh, I guess I could also check to see if the water one works now. Like if I asphyxiate in water versus dying in space. But the first thing we're gonna have to do is this. I believe it's right there, yes.
More attracted to white queens with good hygiene and asses that appear to be wiped clean. Damn, huh, nigga, you built like a pint of lean. I'm a 98 Yoda, you a deer caught in the high beams. You're the next victim to any plan that I might scheme. This ain't a dream, so don't be misconstrued by how your life seems. Cause I'm murking any faggot that wish to attest. Motherfucker should have been used to catching shots to the chest. I'm the best at being slightly below the rest. Because my grades say DNF, but my teeth say crest. But I must confess, ass was my last meal. I left the last bar because the pussy had a bad feel for real. The closest homie be the first to squeal. Losses be crazy, but you can't show hurt in the field. I'm real. Supposedly all my enemies switching. What am I missing? I came to leave the rap world in disposition. Stay out my kitchen, cause I'm close to erupting. I done down so many 40s, my body can't even function. But nah, it's nothing, I ain't got a problem, let me stop fronting. I came to burn and slaughter these cats, so call me Mama Button. That's right, I'm judging the executioner and begging his white ass to not send me to Lucifer. I'm not a beggar. Def Jam just sent me a letter saying we already got Kanye, but D-Bangs is better. So please accept the cheddar, because D-Bangs is a god. Huh, or whatever. Mongeki or Sharingan. Oh my wa.
Okay, if the text displays, we have problems.
That was your boy, D-Bangs. Now you know, you gotta stop sleeping now. I done put y'all on. That was
Okay, the text is gone, actually. Okay, so I guess that works out. Now what happens if I jump into the water and die?
Yeah, basically best rapper alive, D-Bangs.
Oh, that's the death type of dream. Cool. Yesterday. Okay. Okay, we figured out some death types now. And we figured out a small minor issue, which is that the text does appear. But theoretically speaking, that's not a big deal since it disappears as soon as you load into the dream. So we now know that fire is default. Oh shit! I forgot to check one. Okay, we have stop actually, confirm. Stop. Also, I'll be back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Destructive. Pull your shit together, get off of all the drugs. Can't you hear the thunder? I think it's getting nearer. So don't get creative, go buy yourself a gun. Just get a little more sleep? Could I just get a little more sleep? Could I just get a little more sleep before I go?
way back here. That's crazy. I literally walk in and I see that my webcam is tracking me. Okay. So I need to load it in through here. One second. This song an absolute banger, by the way. I'm checking my phone real fast. I'm seeing if I have any text messages I need to answer. Oh shit, Logic released a new song? Oh goddamn! I'm gonna check that out later. Alright. So now I need to jump into Ghost Matter and see what death type that is. Alright, fly to the Ghost Matter. I want to die. Kill me. Met an untimely end. So that is of type default as well. Fuck. Okay. We figured that out. And then the other thing that I need to check is, I want to check if my code for the difference between if you're in water or not. I need to check that as well. So we're going to get into the ship. We're going to fly to Giant's Deep. Damn. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have to do a difference between campfire death versus, actually, put the suit back. We don't need it. Since all I plan on doing is drowning. And in order to drown, I need to not have my suit.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it drop right here, right?
And so now the issue is, let me pause. So now the issue is the fact that I have, oh, I didn't change it. I need to change this anyways, but, damn, yeah, I don't think that's gonna work then. Shit. Fuck. I needed to change that to death type Big Bang, so we're not even going to be able to tell the difference between the two death types right now. So we'll figure that out in a second. So. Hazard detector.
Season finale. Whoa, kid it. Denzel in God mode is outrageous. Bars so hard, my raps feel like cages. Customized Bruce Lee kicks, they all Asian. Sweatshops in Vietnam, I'm so racist. You the type of nigga they love to hate hearing. Nigga, I do not care, I'm Ed Sheeran. I don't give a fuck, my nigga, I feel like.
Okay, let's try that then. So we want to do.
Y'all niggas on some lame shit. I'm on some game shit. Dropping names and shit.
Oh, whoops.
Came through, I'm insane, you bitch. I might drain your bitch of her esophagus. Stop the shit.
I just want to see what gets printed here. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work, actually. I think we're going to have to do this way down here. Harmony patching it. Actually, do I have to do it this way, or can I just put it in here? I think I can just put it in here, can't I? Oh, there's your issue. Now it works. So type of assumedly hazard detector is what we want to do. So hazard detector, and then we want to say hazard detector dot in hazard type public static void hazard detector in hazard type prefix. And we say same thing here of hazard volume dot hazard type, and then yeah, just do type. And now we're just gonna do the outercraft printing out message type. And so up here, to test if this one works, we're gonna say this. Okay, so now we just update in here 2.3. Build that, and we should be able to hopefully see if everything's working now.
Oh,
Run it.
Jesus Christ.
Gonna clear out the logs.
Whoa, kitty.
Kenny, Kenny, sucking on his rusty pennies. Ooh. Kenny, trading in his ones for 20s. La la la, why? Kenny's got laser knives coming out of his eyes. La,
Why?
Kenny's got 35 billion slipping slides. Kenny, like sucking on pennies.
Kenny!
Like sucking on penny shit. Ooh. Juno fell into the pool at Kenny house and Kenny refused to get wet.
Well, that's wrong.
On Kenny's great cloud couch and Kenny refused to
It printed out saying dark matter.
Kenny's got sweet potato pies in the
It said that I'm in dark matter when I'm in a campfire. God damn it.
I'm never inviting y'all to my house or the cave again because there's too many details in there. Some of those things happened, and some of those things I'm not sure if they happened.
Okay, printed dark matter correctly that time, at least. So why did it say I was in dark matter at the campfire? Whatever. Let's just go to, where to go? There we go. And now we're gonna drown and see what gets printed out, and we're gonna figure out why the campfire says it's a dark matter volume. I'm a little pissed off about that one. There we go. Cool. So the water check works, but just to make sure, let's asphyxiate in space as well. Render. This will be our time. And actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a double check. I'm gonna do 2 checks right here. I'm gonna make sure that if we enter the water and then go out of it, it still works. So we're gonna fly to Giant Steep. We're gonna jump into the water. Then we're gonna come out of the water, go into space, take off the space suit, and drown in space. Drown in space? Sorry. Die in space. Asphyxiate in space. Okay, so it should say we're in water right now. And then if I fly back up, we should exit the water now. So it should have ran the code saying we exited the water. So now if I fly into space and die through asphyxiation, it should theoretically work. Hi, Quantum Moon. Bye, Quantum Moon. Shit. Fuck. Oh, wait. Oh, this one just didn't even work, actually, because... So if you die of asphyxiation and are in water... Oh, this one might. Okay. It might consider us not in water anymore once we die. Let me think. So we're in water. which is so true and true. So because both of these should technically be true, we should have saw that. Did we see that? Let me make sure I didn't see that. I did not see that. When we died the first time, I did not see failed to swim get printed above asphyxiation. And then, of course, we still have this issue. So I'm honestly just thinking, give up. That's what I'm thinking. Give up. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give up. So yeah, energy was the sun. And then dream is if you die in the dream world. Which there's multiple ways to die in the dream world, so I'm honestly not sure how to go about that. I'm also thinking we make all these lowercase. Couldn't handle the heat. I think that one's pretty funny. Isn't that how you spell Freddy Krueger? Yes. K-R-U-E-G-E-R. K-R-U-E-G-R. Couldn't escape the Krueger. I think that's pretty funny. Couldn't escape the Krueger. Flew too close to the sun. Let's see. I want to do something with lucid dreaming because there's the whole lucid dreaming glitch. I guess just failed to lucid dream is good enough. Became food, not friend. I like that one. Couldn't hold their breath. I think that could be funny. Choked on their own spit. Ba 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 ba. Let's see, what else do we have? We also look back at all of the death types. We know what Big Bang is now. Lava, we already have, I do believe. I still don't know what Black Hole is, but I assume that's if... Let me just... Yeah, I assume Black Hole is related to, any fuck-ups with, breaking the space-time continuum. So actually, I think I should get rid of this one, because the only time you can die that way. You know what I should have? I just thought about this. I should have a check on the whole, There we go. Jesus Christ, how many things did I open up? But there should also be the thing for, if you ended the time loop. Time loop dot is time loop enabled, I think. That's probably what I want to go for then. Fire triggered death outside of time loop. Okay, fuck you then. Okay, let's get this one. You know what, actually, let's keep that. Okay. So, all we're gonna do for now, since I know everything should work, we're gonna test what happens if you escape the time loop and then die. Since, theoretically speaking, right now, the GUI should not appear. Oh, wait, it would still appear, wouldn't it? Because that's not what I changed about. Yeah, it would still appear. Because show text only runs if you die. Okay, we need to rewrite it. So we don't even need this part, actually, then. So we can delete that. Because we really just need to say... Well, actually, okay, never mind. Keep it. And instead, we're just going to say... Where do I add text? Draw death text. Recalculate position, yada, yada, yada. Oh, wait, isn't it down here? Yeah. So if we just skip this part, we're good. Okay, yeah, no, so it should work the way it is then. Okay. I forgot where I set show text to true. So yeah, it should work. Theoretically speaking, at least. So, resume expedition. And, now I have to go through all the bullshit. I should have added cheat mod. You know what, actually, we're just gonna real fast add cheat mod. So that I can just teleport to the, Ash Twin project.
Broken heart still beating.
I want to remember what it is to teleport. Numpad 8. I don't believe I have Numpad 8 set to anything. I don't. We're good. All right. I'm pretty sure if I'm in the ship when I go to teleport, it'll do bad things. Okay, got it. Oh wait, T numpad 8. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Textures have loaded now. So what happens if I try to do this? Okay, yeah, it doesn't work. I thought so. Alright. Teleport back to the ship. That's what I need to figure out now. T numpad 9. Cool. Now we're just gonna fly into the sun. Well, that sucks. Fuck it. It's fine. But that also means this code is completely fucking useless. So I don't think I've made any changes to my code now. There's literally no difference between this and what I already had. Actually, know what there is? I added more messages. Okay, since we added more messages, I'll say, fine, I'll upload this. All right. I'm disappointed I wasn't able to get it more functional. But I honestly don't feel like attempting this any longer.
That's the way it goes, that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. Been a friend and more, but then you closed the door and I'm still out here waiting. I thought this thing would last, but now it's all in the past and I'm still out here hating. It's some surprise cause I'm not a jealous guy, no that's not really me. But there's no disguise.
So assumedly it automatically updates on here when I do this. So I wonder how long it takes for it to update. I guess I'll just have to wait. At some point it'll update. I could try adding the Achievements Plus stuff. That realistically should not take long. But I don't know if I want to, because that's just a lot to do. Someday it'll update. Okay. To be fair, everything I plan on doing for my story mod shouldn't be too difficult. I mean, I already, like, if we open up my story mod stuff, I already coded one of the main things. This is wrong. Shit. I forgot where I put it. There it is. But yeah, if we look in here, we can already see that I have it so that dark matter doesn't damage you. So I just need to add like some stuff in here. So the next thing I need to figure out is how to add dialogue. Because I plan on adding test dialogue for reducing the, so like I'll have, let's just create the variable right now. So we're gonna call this variable, it's gonna be a public static bool nose air intake equals false. Oh wait, that's the namespace. Oh yeah. Oh, this isn't my ghost matter patch. Yeah, I need to go into here. Put it in here instead. So how would I get... I mean, assumedly I'll just do it like... the way that you do the other thing. So I guess I could just do a, if... There we go. Okay, yeah, that should just work now. So if you know about the air intake, then it does that. If you don't, then it kills you anyways. But then if you do know of air intake, it will... Yeah. But that also means we need to add save data of some sort. So if we go into mods, let's look up Stranger. They are. Touch my... Okay. So that's how I can do it. Maybe. Am I able to reference ship logs in code? I mean, I feel like I have to, because how else would you say that a person has found, you know? So let's look for something that might... This might have an update to... So they create a persistent condition. Set. So do I create a persistent condition by setting one? Seems like it. So where is Slate has yelled, and like when is it created / set? Okay, I can't look that up. But when it comes to player data, I was able to find all this stuff that says get and set. So Cypress board vessel, I'm pretty sure that's already in the game. Oh, I think I know what to do, actually.
I love you and I hate you and I'm losing my mind. And you tell me all the time that this'll pass and that I'm gonna be fine. We're such a mess together. You make me lose my temper. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of using you for pleasure. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of using you for pleasure. Of using you for pleasure. Of using you for pleasure.
Oh my god, they updated it now. You can't actually read it. Unless, let's try opening it up. Yeah, it works fine. Speaking of, let's open with... Thank you. And we should be able to right-click...
The lights are coming on, I'm fading fast. The night before is just a moment past. I tried so hard to make the moment last, but the spin is starting and I think I'm gonna crash.
Could have sworn there was a way to do the, Do I not have that plugin anymore? Or yeah, no, not JavaScript. What am I thinking of? It's not XML though. So what's the other one? JSON. That's what I'm thinking of.
I think about you and it makes me smile. That only lasts for a little while. I write a different ending in my mind. I watch a movie every day and night. I can't stop thinking about you now. Now that it's over, I can't stop thinking about you now. I see you smile and it makes me sad. How did I ever let it get so bad? I hear you
I love how obnoxious this is to look through. Okay, Command F. Nodes. And then I do air intake. Cannot find. So cannot find it right now. So what happens if... Actually, would it be in player instead? No. Okay, cool. These are just settings. So what happens if... Let's just, open this back up. So now what happens if I, you know, build it? Will it then create this condition and set it to false? Only one way to find out. If this works, I'll be happy. I can't stop. Also, I assume when it comes to the creation of ship logs, it's literally just the XML stuff. I don't need to do anything else besides create the XMLs.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
That's the thing, I really don't know anything when it comes to New Horizons. So I am worried about that. Okay. So it should have run already because it should just run on start if I remember correctly.
I'm crushing on someone.
Yeah, so it should have ran already.
Too bad it's your brother. Okay, here we go. Don't even know when this day started. Woke up at 12. Oh,
Though I might move it actually. If this worked, I'm probably gonna move it.
doesn't mean that I'm just a waste man. Maybe I'm just too much.
It looks like it got updated.
Might wanna find a girl less intense. Maybe
Shit.
much for you.
Did I spell it right?
Might wanna find a girl.
I titled it this.
We're out.
So this should have been set to false. Man! So it doesn't add it.
Coffee ring stain on the office desk. Doesn't really get much better than this. Pull up after a night.
Trying to see if there's anything from other mods in here. I mean, I guess I could look up the stuff from this one since I have that. Language learned. Command F. Okay, so this one works. Well, okay, that's because that's ship log stuff. So I guess I have to make it a ship log. Red, true, newly revealed, false. So, player persistent data. Might be in here. It is not. That's interesting that it updated though. Oh, I guess these all have updated and whatnot. Okay, let's just see if I can do this. So if this part doesn't run, then we know it exists in the persistent data. I just don't know where to find that persistent data. Bow out, now out. Bow out, now out. Bow out, now out. Once I understand how this part works, I think... Let me check the log, actually. It should have ran already. Theoretically, it should have ran already. So, I'm actually gonna quit out to do a different test. So we're gonna have an else here. And we're gonna print out... persistent condition... already exists. Build. Clear logs. And now let's run it. And we'll see what happens. Mod loader has been initialized. Initializing enum. My mod Ghostly Dreams is loaded. Oh, okay, yeah, I thought so. I can't run it because the player doesn't exist yet. I had a feeling that was the case, but I wasn't sure. So instead of doing it here, we have to do it here. Because now it'll wait until everything has loaded in. Although, let me see. So, load manager. I'm seeing if there's anything for player. Nope. Okay. So this is just for scene loading and whatnot. Well, we already built it, so it should work, theoretically. Clear out the logs, click run, and now it should work. And just to make sure I am correct in how this should work, we could go back into here, because they do have it in here, I thought. Load configs this. Okay, that's just for that. Oh, they don't load anything in this, which, I mean, that makes sense, honestly. Yeah. Let's see if I get an error, though. Okay, yeah, we got the null object reference again, I think. Okay, we didn't... Oh, yeah, added persistent condition. There we go. Okay, so added my persistent condition. So let's check it. Hey, there it is, baby. All right, it exists now. We're actually gonna real fast delete that though. I don't want that to exist. That was just me making sure I understood things. And now that I know I understand things, I should probably redo this. We're gonna call this there we go. We can get rid of this stuff, because now it'll work. So we set it to false if it doesn't exist, but then if it does exist, we don't do anything to it. So we don't accidentally overwrite this and make it false again. Like if somebody learns air intake, we don't want it to then fuck up and remove it because you know didn't finish the mod in one try or whatever. And now instead of doing it this way, we're going to say player data. There we go. So now we can get rid of this. All right, perfect. Now it should work perfectly. I mean, obviously there's no way to learn of this yet. But look, I could do all that later. Since all it's going to be right now is a dialogue path. So in order for a dialogue path to actually be allowed, I want to check something.
But still I got to say too. Night was yeah, it was fun. Yeah, well, no, but I'm not done. There's more to say. Let's forget it, okay? But before we say goodbye, let me give it one more try if it's not too late. You know, I hope it's worth the wait. Oh, you know that it's true. I think of you. Know that it's true. But still I got to say too, I don't mind if we just waste time and the sun don't shine. I just wanna be with you. I don't care if we go nowhere and the world ain't fair. I just wanna be with you. I don't mind if we just waste time and the sun don't shine. I just wanna be with you. I don't care if we go nowhere and the world ain't fair. No, I just wanna be with.
Alright. Whoa, get it! I'm on a mission. Sliding down 166 underneath leather seats, loaded pistol. I'm an entrepreneur, so to speak. I could do it in my sleep. What you dream
Okay.
about is how I'm really living. Got
I understand dialogue now.
me in her kitchen, tell her mama she fine, but I can't sleep after I hit it. How I see it getting tired is a luxury. Try to eat it, busy bees a body like a bumblebee, but after I hit it, back to the mission. Bust it open for a real nigga, be specific. I'm in the street, big pimpin' like it's zippin'. Everybody eat, cause we all on a mission. Bust it open for a real nigga, be specific. I'm in the street, big pimpin' like it's zippin'. Everybody eat, cause we all on the motherfucking mission. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow, whoa, whoa, wow, 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 wow. Woo, 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 woo. Hunt me good, baby. Hunt me long, hunt me faster like it should, baby. No cap, no nap, wish I could, baby. Out in Paris, but it's slap in the hood, baby. West End, yes, and I'm on a mission to get it. I got a flick in the titties. I order bottles and bottles. I'm putting on for my city. I'm from Atlanta, so they say I talk foreign. Light years ahead, true story. Hey, I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. The bigger mission. I'm on a mission. A biggie mission. Mickey Mouse mission. Get it out mission. I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission.
Oh, the player is Scientist 5, aren't they? Oh, wait, we don't want to do quotes.
This one isn't gonna hurt you. This one isn't gonna make you think. This one ain't gonna be around for long, but it'll keep you company. Until you find what you've been, until you find what you've been looking for. Until you find what you've been, you find what you think you've been looking for.
Oh, it's not capital.
Could have been the best, but you'll never know. It's just another come and go. It's just another. This one lacks sophistication. This one lacks something you really need. This one ain't got no hint of
I also put it as Slate. I meant to do Hornfells. We're gonna set this to default for now. So now if I do this, will it actually work? Okay. And the dialogue prompt. Okay, that's what they mean. Nice. Okay then. So I need to create in planets. Let's just do the same thing of planet, new folder, solar system, and new folder, timber, Nerth, timber, hearth, birth. Jesus Christ. Hearth. A new file. Wait, actually, no, I just need to do timberhearth.json. I'm stupid.
Keep it on into this night. I need you here to keep me strong, to live my life and sing.
yeah, I need to put quotes. I'm stupid. And okay. Santa baby.
Just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good.
Oh, I see.
Check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot.
Lot.
Been an angel all year.
Okay.
Santa baby,
So we need to figure out
down the chimney tonight.
where in Timberhearth
To honey, one little
Carmen is.
to a platinum mine, Santa baby. So
This one.
hurry down the chimney
Since I need to go through all of this bullshit to figure it out.
Santa cutie.
So we need to look for Sector TH. Close that out. Let's see if this tells me anything on how to find that shit.
Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at
Sector TH. So we know that would be Sector Timberhearth. Oh, wait. Oh, I have to load this. Oh, I have to load the scene, don't I? I have to load up Unity real fast. God damn it.
to mention one little thing, a ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
Yeah, I don't think I can just open it from here. I think I have to open up Unity.
The chimney tonight.
But yeah, I need to find exactly where Slate is.
Hey, stoner.
Bow, 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 bow. Hey, stoner. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. Hey, stoner.
I'd never buy it though I heard it's for sale. One time I tried it but I didn't really inhale. Once in a blue moon if the mood is just right. Special occasions like when the day turns into night. Smoking a doob, hey stoner. Watching the tube, hey stoner. Eat all my food, hey stoner. Calling me dude. I only smoke it late at night when I'm stressed. Just on the rough days when I feel a little anxious. Sometimes on weekends if my friends are in town. You see, Just leave me alone, you're freaking me out, and I need to get stoned. I can't keep a thought straight. Why am I always running late? No, I can't remember that thing that I forgot. Huh?
Sometimes you rob 1,000 to 1, got everything under the sun, but then you realize that the war inside has just begun. 'Cause everything that rises must initially fall, and that's the day you wonder whether or not you do anything at all.
Oh, he would be at the fucking statue too when you talk to him now. So I'd have to fucking go with that one instead. Fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out later. I'm gonna, like, ask how to find this shit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream now. I'm gonna figure this shit out later. See you guys in the next one. Peace.